night. Came in a Kennebunk, staying at the Kennebunk Inn. Gorgeous place, very old. If you are into ghosts and spirits, it is haunted. And so proceeded to get a little tipsy so I could go to sleep. And forgot to close out the day. I'm so sorry, guys. But this morning is absolutely gorgeous. A little bit of a hangover. It's okay. Nothing that the motorcycle won't fix. Heading over to the beach along beautiful Highway 1 here in Kennebunk and Kennebunkport, Maine, on FX Thunder H.O.G's Highway 1 ride, or the 1 ride. This is day 4. They're all beautiful riding. It all goes right together, so I think it's day 4. Had a bit of a hard night last night, as in alcohol. Our anniversary, so celebrated a tad bit. And it's already a hot one today in Maine. So took off the jacket because it's just a short bit. For those that saw my video, I do believe in ATG, ATT. However, this morning, just a little too much heat, and it's just a short distance. Jeep, I swear to God. You better be fucking... much fun. If you guys are ever in the Arundel, Maine area, I think that's how they pronounce it. Right on Highway 1 is the legendary Bentley Saloon and Campgrounds. Lobster rolls are fantastic. Of course, they have lots of other selections to choose from when dining. You can also stay there if you wish. Now headed up north on our long way round to White Mountain Harley-Davidson, going back up into the mountains of New Hampshire. And as you can see, I've got my riding gear back on. And since I'm going more than a few miles this time around, because really once you get moving, I've got all the vents open in my jacket. It's nice. It's not bad at all. And of course it keeps the sun off me. If you're looking for more riding tips and tricks, be sure to visit my website, irishbobsister.com. I've got a blog. You can check out my Skillshare class. And if you want more of a personal one-on-one motorcycle mentor or a life coach to help you out with your motorcycling or whatever challenges you might be facing, you can do that right on my website, irishbobsister.com. You can even take me for a test ride, so to speak. Schedule a free 30-minute trial session. Try it out. And let's have some fun. What do you say? But for now, I'm gonna hush up and you guys can enjoy this beautiful scenery here in Maine. to the White Mountain Cottages and Inn, or Motel and Cottages, that's what it is, and had a fantastic day. Rode up to White Mountain Harley-Davidson, way up north in the state of New Hampshire, and turns out it's a small world, guys. We ran into a group, not literally, but we ran into a group that is from Watertown area, like from FX Caprara Harley-Davidson. So they recognized the bikes as we were riding in, and we're like, hey, we know you. And I'm like, oh yeah, where are you guys from? They're like, Watertown. I'm like, oh, okay. So small world, great day riding. Then from there we went up over the what was it, honey? Cakamangus?
Cakamangus, yeah. Cakamangus?
112 up over the mountains, gorgeous views. I'll look for pictures and video because battery ran out, so didn't do that. But I didn't film it personally, but I'll look for a video and pictures from that area so I can put it in and you guys can see the extravagant beauty that is the Mountains of New Hampshire. It was awesome. So that's it for tonight. Until tomorrow, everybody, please stay safe. Be kind to one another. I cannot stress that enough. Ride when you can and have fun.